Hey y'all, it's Randy, the dad in Father and Sons Fishing, and welcome back to the channel. Now our normal supporters and subscribers will be shocked to see where I am. And that is the Outer Banks of North Carolina. And if you happen to be new to the channel, that was obviously some sarcasm. We love it here, and we do a lot of filming, particularly in the off season. I am here on the Monday before Thanksgiving. I actually just had a great solo trip a few weeks ago, and I'm still working on some of those videos, including a clamming video that I did at this very location, which is Ramp 55 in Hatteras Village. Now, my wife and kids and her parents and her sister's family are all coming into town tomorrow for Thanksgiving, and the objective is to get as many clams as possible so I can have a nice, freshly caught appetizer for them when they arrive tomorrow. So let me stop yapping and let's get out on the water and get some clams. Just got to get that first clam. Just got to get it. And we're one to feel that characteristic thud.
1 hour later.
Okay, first clam. And I've been working here for a while, and this is it. So, maybe I'm just now in the right spot. We'll see. But if it's going to be this slow, knowing how many people I'm potentially feeding, this may not be the clamming trip I was hoping it was going to be. I'm not going to give up yet. Stay tuned. Let's see if we can get some more. Okay, folks, it's all about attitude here. I have one clam in the bag. I've been out here what feels like forever. I'm getting weary, frustrated, and I just said, self, let's have a little pep talk. And I said, you know what? There's no sense being all ticked off about it. Let's just have a positive attitude. And so guess what I just felt? Let's see if it's the real deal. Yeah, this is absolutely 100%. This is a big one. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's not a clam. I have like a big, is that like a big ginger root or something? Ladies and gentlemen, you can't make this up. Only on Father and Sons Fishing. We found mega-sized ginger roots in the middle of the Pamlico Sound. Positive attitude. Positive attitude. It's gonna happen. We're gonna feel that thump. We're gonna feel it. Here we go. Come on.
1 eternity later.
Okay, finally, we got a fourth one. It appears we've now found a spot. So I'm gonna put these in my bag, and I'm just gonna leave the bag here to kind of mark this spot, but I'm gonna really work this area well, and I am gonna work towards that island right there, because I really want to see if I can go inhabit that island. At this rate, we need to really kind of find a lot of them here. Yes, that's a clam. That is a clam. Prettiest clam of the day so far. Oh yeah, that's a big mama. Oh, and a sand dollar. That fell into back into the water. Okay, I still have a long way to go, but at least I'm finding them now. All right. All right, well, here I am on the island, and we already have a cool discovery here. This is a shark eye shell, and I can't tell if there's anybody home. There's a good chance there is, so we're gonna let him go. But how about this? It's my own little island. Let's go see what's on the other side over here. Tons of clam and scallop shells around here. So maybe that's a sign. Of course, I left the clam bag way over there. So if I luck into a whole bunch of them here, I'm gonna have no place to put them, but that would certainly be a good problem to have. Look at all these, I mean, there's tons of clams around here. All right, well, let's go here and just give it a try. The problem here is that there's a lot of shells, so there's a lot of false alarms. Like that felt like something good right there. Let's see. And it was just garbage. So I have a feeling, given all the shells that are laying up there on the beach, that there's probably quite a few under the sand here, which means this isn't going to be a very productive place. But we're going to walk around here a little bit.
2,000 years later.
Oh my gosh. Is he alive? Hope so. Oh, no, definitely not. All right. Well, what an interesting little clamming find here. My friend, the horseshoe crab. See ya, bud. Oh, is that a clam right there in front of me? It is not. Well, yeah, actually it is. It's an old dead clam with a beard. Hey man, this is the ZZ Top of Clams telling you to subscribe to Father and Son's Fishing or Clamming today. Peace out. Yeah, I'm definitely getting a little delirious here, folks. I have no idea where I put my bag. It's somewhere in that 100-yard radius. Let's go try to find it. Wouldn't that be the kicker if I lose the bag and all these couple hours of work here, hard clamming work, go to waste? Where's that bag? Oh man, where are you, bag? So this is why I gotta get, people who clam a lot get these baskets, like a laundry basket, and you put flotation devices around the top and just carry it along with you. The problem is, the way I'm doing it, once you start to fill your bag up, it gets so heavy, it's just most convenient to kind of put it down as you go along, but I have legit lost it. And of course I find another clam here while I'm looking. Big old mamba jumbo. Yeah, to kind of retrace my steps, that's the island that I discovered, and then there was a flat over here. It's actually right over here, so I'm way too far this way. We're gonna go east here. Yeah, I still feel like I gotta go more east here. Oh man, this was not what I was expecting. Oh, I see it, I see it, I see it. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Clamming bag, you are a sight for sore eyes. Look at you down there, all lonely. Wonder if I was ever gonna find you. Well, I am here. Oh my gosh. I think this might be a sign, folks, to at least switch it up to another location. Okay, so I'm heading back to the truck and I'm clamming along the way, and look what I ended up finding. But a live horseshoe crab. Hey fella, no, I'm not gonna hurt you. How about that? Let's let him go. I did not mean to disturb you. Go back and peace out. All sorts of stuff out here. Never know what you're gonna find. Okay folks, one more really cool find here. This is a whelk shell. This is a knobbed whelk. The opening's on the right. The opening's on the left. It would be a lightning whelk. And you can clearly see there's someone home. Here, she was all spread out when I saw the shell, so it kind of retracted in there. Obviously, we're going to put the shell right back and not disturb this nice creature anymore, but I just thought I would point out this beautiful whelk shell. See you, buddy. Well, all right, folks, I'm back in the truck, and I am tired. And in my fatigue, I neglected to film some underwater clamming footage. And what would a father and son's fishing / clamming video be without the underwater footage? So I'm driving back, and I'm almost to Oregon Inlet. I'm going to stop and hopefully get some underwater footage. And it's a good thing I only need the under the water footage, because this is pouring down rain right now. So hopefully I'll get a couple shots, get home, warm up, and then we'll show you how we're going to cook these clams. So I'm already cold thinking about it, but I'm going to see you out on the water. Well, here we are, and I'm going to put you all underwater. You're going to show me where all the clams are. We're going to get a couple, and then we're going to get out of here, okay? Alright folks, thanks for showing me where that last clam was. Now it's time to go home and get warm. And it's the next day and I'm back here in the kitchen. I've got the whole family in town. Allison, you want to say hi to the camera? She loves being on camera. And then, Kathy, are you cool? If you no, I can't put my mother-in-law on camera.
No, you
I talked about you in the video beforehand and how you inspired me to go out clamming for this. Well, let me just say that Kathy has been very helpful in putting together this recipe. What I ended up with 22 fairly large clams. We have steamed them, and then we're gonna make we've made some stuffing to put in. We're gonna bake them, and I'll show you the end product here in just a second. And maybe we can like. Do you think your mom would be on camera real quick eating one?
We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see.
All right, we'll show you the end product here in just a second. But here's what we're working with right now. This is the, and I'll put the recipe down below, but that's our clam bake situation. Our shells, and then what we're gonna stuff them in before we bake them.
What's up?
In the face. I told you to watch it.
Oh, May.
The show.
Yeah, we saw May.
Oh, wasn't it
I
good?
thought you said Maze.
Oh, no. Wait, with Andy McDowell?
Yeah.
Yes. Did you like it?
Yeah.
I loved it.
Hey, Ryan, you looking forward to the clams?
Yes.
Okay. Alex, you looking forward to the clams?
Yeah.
Vivi, you looking forward to them?
No.
There she goes.
What's up? Get down, get down, get down, get down, get down, get down.
No, Ryan, come here. Try the clams. You want to try the clams?
Yeah.
All right, we are going to try these clams here. Actually, they've already been happy in here. Is the report good so far, folks?
Oh, great. Fantastic. Chef.
I love it.
I want to say it's bussin'.
It's bussin'.
This is bussin'. Bussin', bussin'. If you know what that means, comment down below. It's bussin', bussin'. Bussin', bussin'. Bussin', bussin'.
Careful, Sean. Stove is hot.
All right, I'm gonna try these out for myself here. But right now, that's it from Father and Son's Clam. Wait, it's Father and Son's Clammin' now. You guys know we have a new channel, Father and Son's Clammin'.
Okay.
It's a calamity.
Was I hugging Sean? Sorry, dude.
That's all I could do. I gotta come up with
Can you
better.
make a video without making corny jokes?
Oh!
No, probably not.
Burn.
I know.
Can you do it? I'm not good at doing outros.
But I'm apparently always corny when I do my outros.
I don't know.
Kathy, what do you think?
Maybe getting things on Save the show.
Oh no, no, in terms of the
Oh, they're
clams.
delicious.
Oh, that's all I needed.
Absolutely delicious.
Okay, that, my friends, is the outro. Mother-in-law says they're delicious.
They're
Oh,
busted.
Right.
They're busted.
Don't let him climb on the railing.
Am I supposed
He's-
to say bussin', bussin'?
You're bussin'.
peace out, friends. We'll see you soon. Now, I hit myself in the head. So I'm gonna be like, "Hey, are you looking forward to the clams?" And you'd be like, "I hope it's not a calamity."
Can I not say that? That's like so corny.
All right, will you say that, Ryan?
No, man. Too corny.